Welcome back once again, guys, to my channel with a very beautiful video. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I review different types, Faux leather and latex catsuit and jumpsuits. So don't miss any of these. Watch till end. Are the cool pieces of the video at the end. So friends, stay with me. Jumpsuit and catsuits are now available in many colors and different styles and waist size. Graceful and most stylish collection of Faux leather and latex. Shiny jumpsuit and catsuits. Very pretty and attractive. Faux leather jumpsuit, a catsuit and romper. Discover stylish ways to wear Faux leather jumpsuit and catsuits in this video and elevate your outfits. Get tips on styling, layering and accessorizing in this ultimate guide, guys. High class and fabulous. Jumpsuit and catsuits are on top trending. Models and actresses also wear them in party and other occasions. As a fashion designer, our inspiration for this creation of outfits is made under concepts demanded by girls, women who love to be fashionable. We hope you like our fashion ideas a lot, so friends must visit my channel. After watching this video, you can get great designs and fashions, weekly updates. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Satra Products yet, then do it quickly and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my videos. Reach on time to time. If you really enjoyed this amazing video, guys, hit the like button and leave a beautiful comment in comments section. I am waiting for your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care. Keep supporting my channel. Keep watching and sharing my videos. Bye.